Hello, today I will tell you about the little-known features of cats. Odor sensation wall. Cats have 19 million olfactory cells in their noses, which is about 40 times more than humans. World's longest tail. A Maine Coon cat can have the world's longest tails, extending up to twice the length of its body. Cat memory. Cats can remember their emotional bonds with people for a long time. They can recall someone they loved or were afraid of even after many years. Purring massage. Cats may shiver when they purr, especially when they are in the act of showing affection or bonding. Fear of water. Cats generally dislike water, but some breeds like the Egyptian Mau can have the ability to swim.